Hello everyone and welcome back to English Valley Cafe. My name is Anne. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the word actually. Are you using it correctly? Let's talk about it today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Valley Cafe and tap on that bell icon. All right, so let's talk about actually. Actually. We use actually quite a bit in our daily conversations. You'll hear this if you watch a TV show. I'll guarantee you will hear this word come up in a conversation. We use this word to kind of give us that buffer. It gives us time to think about what we want to say. But more importantly, it gives the conversation more of a natural flow. But it is important that you use it correctly in the correct context. So let's talk about what are the different ways that we can use actually. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 different situations or contexts that we use actually. All right, so first let's talk about using actually to clarify, to correct an information or something that you said that was incorrect. So imagine you go into a coffee shop and you said, I like a small soy latte. Actually, you know what? Make that a large. Okay, so you might order a coffee and then after a few seconds you thought, you know what? I want a large one. I really need some caffeine today. So I'm going to order a large instead. So to correct what you said earlier, small latte, you can say, actually, you know what? Make that a large. Okay, that means I want a large soy latte. Another example, imagine that you are shopping. You're trying to buy a shirt, a top, and you ask the sales associate, do you have this in size 6? And the sales associate might answer, yes, we do. Actually, no, we only have size 8 and 10 left. So here the sales associate thought they have size 6. They gave you the wrong information because they said, yes, we do. But then realize that no, they only have size 8 and 10 left. That means available. So they can say, actually, no, we only have size 8 and 10 left. Okay, so you can see that in these 2 examples, we are using actually to correct some kind of mistake or information that we gave earlier that is not correct. Now, what if the other person gives you the wrong information or they said something that's not correct and you want to let them know the correct information? You want to correct them. We can use the word actually to do that. Let's take a look at an example here. Imagine that your friend says, hey, you're off on Thursday, right? But actually you're off on Friday. So here you can say, no, actually is Friday. So you can use the word actually and then give them the correct information. No, actually is Friday. Another example, you're Kathy's dad, right? Actually, I'm Jimmy's dad. Okay, so imagine sometimes you might be in a situation where you are mistaken for somebody else. So you can say, actually, and then tell them who you really are. Okay, so you can see that in these 2 examples here, we are correcting what the other person says. We're trying to do it in a more polite manner to tell them, no, I'm sorry, but what you said is not correct. This is the correct answer. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about how we use actually when we are shocked or surprised at what somebody said or what somebody did. So for example, he said he was going to quit his job soon. I can't believe he actually did it. I thought he was just joking. Okay, or I can't believe you actually let the kids stay up till midnight. Okay, so as you can see in these 2 examples, actually is just used to emphasize that, wow, I'm shocked or I'm really surprised that this person said that or did that. And here actually is used in a similar to the word really. Like, I'm really shocked that they said that. Or I can't believe you really did that. Okay, so it's similar to the word really. All right, another way that we use actually is to give some kind of unpleasant or unwanted news to somebody. So by using actually, you'll tone it down a little bit. Your unpleasant news will sound a little bit better. Example, are you going to Alan's wedding on Saturday? No, I'll be on a business trip actually. So here I'm using actually at the end of the sentence to soften this unpleasant news that I'm telling the other person. Okay, I don't want to disappoint them. Another example, we can't go on a vacation this year because we need to save up to pay rent actually. Okay, so maybe somebody, your friend or someone, maybe your husband, your wife, somebody is asking you to go on a vacation, but you know, money is tight. You need money to pay for rent, but you don't want to disappoint the other person. So you might say, no, but we need to save up money to pay for the rent actually. Okay. So as you can see in these two examples, by using the word actually to give that bad news, I am softening my bad news a little bit. It won't sound as bad. All right, I hope that these 4 contexts will help you to better understand how to use the word actually. Do you use this word often in your conversations? Which one of these contexts have you used the word actually before? Let me know down in the comments, and go ahead and try to use the word actually down in the comments and write a sentence with this word to practice. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to English Valley Cafe for more videos like this every week. And I will see you next week back here for another new lesson. Bye.